Hey there, today I have a Nadine West unboxing for you. So this is my first time trying Nadine West. I've seen some reviews on YouTube and they've been kind of mixed. So yeah, I just thought I'd give it a try. It is supposed to be more affordable than Stitch Fix. They basically send you, I believe, 4 items, and I think 2 should be clothing items and 2 jewelry items. And you are charged a shipping charge of $9.78, but there is no styling fee. And my understanding is anything you purchase, that $9.78 shipping charge gets applied to that. So basically, the worst that you can be out is $9.78 for shipping if you buy nothing. Yeah, so with Nadine West, you do fill out an online questionnaire, and it's actually a pretty quick questionnaire. It's just like one page, and it maybe takes like less than 5 minutes, I would say, to fill out. I'm gonna have to be very careful when I open this because I need to reuse this package. Okay, so I finally got the package open. Here's what it looks like. You can kind of see what's inside. Okay, so it comes with, I've got, oh, this is the return label. And it has an invoice with the prices for everything. But yeah, so it just kind of gives you some instructions. There is a little note. Hi Tisha, this shipment is our first stab at identifying your style. If we nailed it, great. If it's not quite there yet, don't worry. We'll take your feedback and give it another shot. Okay, so here's what the package looks like. It's in a plastic bag. And it's nicely wrapped in this pink tissue paper. Oh, and here, it does have like a little Nadine West sticker, which is cute. Okay, let's see what I got. So the first item is a pair of leggings. And I do like black leggings. And these seem pretty nice. They seem actually very nicely made. It has like a really thick waistband, which is usually good for keeping your stomach in. And this is by the brand Yado. And it's in the size small, medium. But I noticed the material does seem thicker. It has this kind of like mesh on the side. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about that, but we'll give it a try. So this is, She's a Maniac stripe, $28.99. So ooh, these are not cheap leggings. So these are almost $30. Okay, so next I have, it's a top. It looks like a tunic top, and it's just a basic black and white, which I like black and white. And it seems very long. It's in the size medium. It's by Zenana Outfitters. And this is the top, Infield Black Ivory. It's $22.99. So $22.99. And I think, I've seen this brand either at TJ Maxx or at Ross, because I do shop at Ross and TJ. And then next are the jewelry items, and there's 2, and they do come in these cute pink little jewelry pouches. Let's see, so the first one is, okay, it's a necklace, and it's like this. It has little pearls, and it's actually pretty cute. So we'll try this on, and I'll see how this looks. Not bad. And then the next item, it's another little necklace, and it's got a tree. This kind of reminds me of, that tree in Game of Thrones. But anyway, yeah, so another gold necklace, and I'll try these on also. So yeah, so that's what I got so far, and let's try on all the items and see how it looks. Okay, so here we go with the clothes from Nadine West. So I'm wearing the top, which, as you can see, is like extremely long, and I am short. I'm 5'1". I don't know, it's kind of long though. And the leggings are kind of an interesting, not like a huge fan of this actually. I mean, I might just keep it and give it to my daughter And it is like super high-waisted. It goes, I would say this is where my belly button is, and it goes way over. And it is pretty slimming though. And the top, it's just it's kind of a thin material, and yeah, it's just okay. I probably, it's just okay. Okay, so here is the first item of jewelry, and it's okay. I don't mind it actually. So it just has some pearls, and yeah, I don't know. I would be a little worried that this thing is gonna tarnish right away, but it's cute. I don't hate it. Okay, so here is the next one. I don't know. I think it's okay. It is a tree. It's the Game of Thrones tree. I don't think I'd wear this. I have so many necklaces, and I just, you know, this wouldn't be one that I would gravitate towards. But anyway, it's okay. It's very basic. Not bad, actually. Yeah, so that was everything I got in my first ever Nadine West bag, and I thought it was okay. I mean, my expectations, well, I didn't actually expect it to be as good as Stitch Fix. For me, I think I would use this service more for just looking for casual, comfortable, kind of like play clothes. And yeah, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna keep. I'm kind of debating if I should just keep these leggings and give it to my younger daughter. Loves leggings, and I think she would actually like this. And or you know, other item I liked was this necklace. I thought it was kind of cute, the one with the pearls. So we'll see. I'll probably just keep one item, and it'll be one of those. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it somewhat informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I will be back. I have another Stitch Fix, my March Stitch Fix box coming up soon. It's in the mail, so. And I'm also planning to do another trend send sometime soon. So anyway, thanks again. Take care. Bye now.